Hi, I'm Olga Shevchenko and I'm the creative director at Vintage Web Production in Kyiv, Ukraine. I'm an award-winning designer, a member of awards jury and an international speaker. I work with all sorts of clients, so I know the real value of presenting yourself. In general, every project has three crucial aspects: the product, the presentation, and the selling. So, the product is essentially your work, the skills, and so on. The presentation is all about your image, the way your CV, LinkedIn, Behance, and social media profiles look. And finally, the selling is the way you communicate with the clients. It is very important to remember about these three components and keep them in balance. See web designers that create outstanding projects, but pay too little attention to their portfolios and social media accounts. Hence, there is a lack of offers. You will learn how to get your portfolio to be noticed, find out how you can make your works cost more, and see examples of amazing successful portfolios with a full explanation as for why they work so well. This knowledge is useful for everyone, whether you're a junior or a senior. So, tune in, it will be an exciting journey.